system. On balance, the MPC was of the view that further calibrated monetary policy action is warranted to keep inflation expectations anchored, break the persistence of core inflation, and thereby strengthen the medium-term growth prospects. Accordingly, the MPC decided to raise policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 6.5%. The MPC will continue to maintain strong vigil on the evolving inflation outlook so as to ensure that it remains within the tolerance band and progressively aligns with the target. Inflation is expected to average 0.6% in the fourth quarter of 23-24, while the policy repo rate is, after today's revision, now stands at 6.5%. Adjusted for inflation, the policy rate still trails its pre-pandemic levels. Liquidity remains in surplus with an average daily absorption of 1.6 lakh crore under the LAF in January 23. The overall monetary conditions therefore remain accommodative, and hence the MPC decided to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation. I would now like to provide our assessment of growth and inflation. First, I would like to take up growth. Available data for Q3 and Q4 of the current financial year, that is 22-23, indicate that economic activity in India remains resilient. Urban consumption demand has been firming up, driven by sustained recovery in discretionary spending, especially on services such as travel, tourism, and hospitality. Passenger vehicle sales and domestic air passenger traffic posted robust year-on-year growth. Domestic air passenger traffic crossed pre-pandemic levels for the first time in December 2022. Rural demand continues to show signs of improvement as tractor sales and two-wheeler sales expanded in December. Several high-frequency indicators also point towards strengthening of activity. I have listed out some of the high-frequency indicators which show improvement and strengthening of activity in the footnote of my statement. As you know, the statement will be uploaded in the RBI website. So if you are interested, you may like to have a look at it. Investment activity continues to gain traction. Non-food bank credit expanded by 16.7% as on January 27, 2023. The total flow of resources to the commercial